What's up everybody, it's your boy Reggie Casual, friend of casual.co, and welcome to Essentials, where we cover a style, break down its parts, and give you the basics on how you can make it a part of your wardrobe. Going beyond just the brands and digging into the details. This week, we're exploring Techwear. From top to bottom, these are the essentials. Let's get it. Starting from the top, now while cotton fabric for your inners can be interchangeable, there are technical versions available, like ones from Nike Lab ACG. But if you're looking for something a bit more functional, dry fit and sweat wicking fabrics, both in long sleeve and short sleeve versions, are great options. These are offered by most of the big sportswear brands today, and even come with the added benefit of being available in different lengths and cuts, allowing for draping and base layering. Of course, you can always go with the typical tech go-tos like Gorilla Group, but being able to find pieces readily available is always a good thing. So these bigger brands might be great options for you. On top of that, your shells, jackets, and outer tops should be of the tactical variety, and while many tech aficionados look to acronym for inspiration, it's usually out of the price range, so it's important to understand the most important open secret of Techwear. It's all about the fabrics. Trying to find specific brands for Techwear can be a task in futility, but searching for unique pieces based on what they are made out of can make the journey a bit easier. For your outers, you want to focus on woven nylon, tactical nylon, ripstop fabric, quick dry polyesters, and of course, Gore-Tex for your more conditional gear. But you can also make use of military twills as well. One of the most important aspects of the tech look is utility, and military anything does a good job of bringing that aesthetic to the forefront. So look for military and tactical shells and jackets in the aforementioned fabrics, and you can't go wrong. While there are other options for tops that are more urban ninja inspired, like kimono tack jackets and the like, quite often they come off as more costumey than techy. They still work, but to be truly involved means to be as authentic as possible. So choose pieces with care and according to a consistent wardrobe, so you can still be involved in Techwear but still be familiar to the eye. Unless of course you want to look like a real urban ninja samurai Techwear aficionado, which is totally up to you. Bottoms are much like tops in the fabric category, so still use that as your basis. We're talking about nylon, Gore-Tex, woven nylon, ripstop fabrics, quick dry polys, and even tech fleece, a polyester-based weave. Those all can work. And again, military style. Think tactical cargos or a streamlined future utility style a la Acronym or Gorilla Group. But instead of mulling over that, let's take shape and silhouette into consideration. Look at any Techwear set and you may notice the variations of pants that enthusiasts wear. While tapered cargos and adjustables are quite popular, as well as woven nylon variants, we'll pay special attention to the more glaring type of bottoms with sarouel or harem styled cuts. Most sarouel or harem styled cuts have extended inseams that create a bonded look around the inner legs. You'll recognize these in pants presented by Acronym or even Yohji Yamamoto. But as most of us know, getting a pair of Acronym or Yohji Yamamoto pants is a lesson in how to burn your wallet. So knowing the type of silhouette you're going for goes a long way. Nike, with the help of Errol Senhu of Acronym, adapted this style into a more culturally accepted version, keeping the inseam from a traditional style pant, but adopting the wider midsection seen in sarouel and the ACG lineup. These are nearly perfect as an entry point to prepare you for more daring sets. The point is, it's not so much the brand so much as it is the silhouette. So doing a search on these specific points will set your mind at ease and help you find alternatives. Shoes and sneakers and boots are also important with Techwear, and we already outlined a few of our favorites in another video. But the general consensus is Techwear styled sneakers and sneaker boots should offer a functional take and look, place emphasis on a streamlined silhouette or on a futuristic aesthetic. Take the Nike Gator, the Adidas See You Later, the various Acronym Nike collabs, and many more. These are great options and great starting points for reference. Same thing goes with accessories. However, bags and satchels are some of the most prominent in Techwear. Again, we can't all afford to get our hands on Acronym, but this can be finagled by looking at modified tactical bags or brands like Coat & Seal, Masterpiece, or even Peak Design. The point is, It's always the same with techwear. The silhouette isn't complicated, but the fabrics can be, making them expensive at times, which is why most tech heads are very specific about which pieces they get, often saving for a specific piece that they want and foregoing anything in the middle ground. But that doesn't mean you can't experiment. Again, the best kept secret in techwear is knowing what things are made of and finding pieces that match the aesthetic. And don't be afraid of color. While black remains the dominant color in most tech sets, military olives and browns can work as well. Neon accents give off that future look, and even white can add depth and contrast to an otherwise drab look. Experiment and search, touch and feel things to understand what it is you're looking for. Understand the different cuts and layering options, and techwear should be right at your fingertips. Now these are just the basic principles, but your style journey does not end there. So have at it and give us some of your tips that we may have missed in the comments. And give a thumbs up if you like this video. Let us know what style you would like to see broken down next. To see more techwear reviews and options, you can always check out This Is Antoine right here on YouTube, as he covers various techwear releases consistently. These are the essentials, and keep it casual. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. And I'll see you guys in a minute. 皆さんいつも見てくれてありがとうございます. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what your thoughts are on this topic in the comments. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, but most importantly, keep it locked right here for all of your info on international street fashion and culture from Tokyo. It's your boy, and keep it casual. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. You can even check out more videos, and you can support us on Patreon or follow our social media networks. That's always cool. You can do that. We didn't want to say it, but I said it anyway.